Hi, this is Melinda from Click Winning Content. Thanks for watching today's presentation on 7 steps to a website that works even while you're not. We named it that because ideally your website should be generating inquiries and business even while you're not working. The presentation's held today in conjunction with Kylie from Business Wellbeing, and we've actually split it into 3 different videos. So this first video is going to cover step 1 and 2. I started my business about a year ago, and since then I've worked with a lot of clients to improve their web results, and I regularly see the same problems, which is why I've put together this presentation today. So if you're planning a new website or you've got an existing website that you're not happy with but you're not sure what to do, hopefully you'll find some time and money saving tips here. Quick overview of the agenda of the 3 videos. It's not a long video, so really we're just going to do a high-level summary of each topic. So moving straight into step 1, which is being clear about what your website, what you want your website to do by setting objectives. And what does that actually mean? So a lot of people go ahead and create a website simply because they think they need one, and then down the track they realise the website isn't actually doing anything for their business. This is generally about the point in time that they contact me, and when we're discussing it I sort of ask, what were you hoping your website would do? And a lot of people, they have some ideas but they're not entirely sure. So you could avoid that scenario by deciding right from the start what your main and secondary website objectives are, and basically they're the things that you want to achieve. So let's have a look at some popular website objectives. Generating revenue is a big one, so maybe selling things online or people pay to be a member of your website. Other popular objectives are reinforcing your brand, building your credibility, or generating inquiries. If you're one of the many people that works in professional services, one of your main objectives is probably going to be to generate inquiries that lead to business and people using your services. So if that's your objective, aim to provide all the information on your website that clients would need in order to be comfortable doing business with you. That includes details of your services, the pricing. If you're running workshops or courses, make the dates and times really easy to find, and particularly make it really easy to find out how to contact you. For example, by including your phone number prominently in the top right corner of your header so it's easy to find from every page. Another thing, professional services are sold based on the qualities and experience of the person providing them. So a secondary website objective might be to build your credibility, which you can do by including case studies, by writing articles that share your expertise, by getting quotes from your clients, and also online video clips to demonstrate your expertise. So jumping into step number 2, let your website visitors know what your website is about by making it clear what the business does. This seems like common sense, but I'm sure you've all looked at websites that look great, but actually they include irrelevant images and have broad taglines and don't actually tell you what the company does. Because the web world moves fast, if people can't find what they're looking for quickly, they'll click the back button and go to another website. So when you look at new websites now, just look at them a little bit differently and see if you can quickly and easily tell what the business does, or if you have to probe around a bit deeper for that information. So one way you can do this is just by writing a simple, clear statement about what your business does, and this is something that you could add to the homepage of your website. Maybe get someone external to have a look at your website and see if it's easy for them to tell what your business does. And if it needs improving, this is how you can do it. Just add a statement that also be clear about your target audience. I wanted to mention, hopefully in your business or marketing plan you've defined who your target audience is and where they're located, and you might want to consider adding a call out to your target audience in that statement. So there's some examples of some statements there that could be used on a website homepage. The second one's from Kylie's website, which we'll look at here. So that's her opening statement. It's an example of including your target audience as well. So she's put wellness professionals in, so any wellness professionals looking at that page know that they're in the right place for someone that can help them. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you want to learn more about internet strategy, here's some resources that you can use, and please watch the other 2 videos for steps 3 to 7 of how to get a website that works.